In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to nudge elements in Canva, a simple yet powerful feature that can help you refine your designs with precise adjustments. Whether you're just starting out with Canva or looking to enhance your design skills, this tutorial will guide you through the process of nudging elements step by step. First, head over to Canva's website by typing canva.com into your browser. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your account. To do this, look for the login button located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking that will present you with a few options to log in. You can choose to enter using your Google account, connect through Facebook, or simply use your email credentials. If you're already logged in, you're all set to proceed to the next step. Once you're signed in, you can either start a new design or open an existing one that you want to work on. For those new to Canva, the platform offers a variety of templates to get you started, but today we're focusing on being able to move elements with precision. To begin, open up your project in the Canva editor. Next, you need to identify the element that you wish to nudge. This could be any part of your design, like a text box, shape, image, or any other graphic component. Click on that element so that it becomes highlighted by a bounding box, showing that it's selected and ready for adjustments. Now, to actually nudge the selected element, use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Simply press the up, down, left or right arrows to move it in small increments in the direction you need. This feature is particularly handy when you need to make fine adjustments without affecting the overall layout too drastically. It's like having a gentle control for precision placement. Sometimes you might want to move things a bit more swiftly across your canvas. To do this, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard while pressing the arrow keys. This speeds up the movement, allowing the element to move in larger increments, making it a perfect option when bigger adjustments are required, like realigning elements quickly or fitting them into particular sections of your design. And that's it. Nudging elements in Canva is a vital skill for ensuring perfect alignment and the overall polished look of your projects. Remember, nudging offers you the ability to make subtle yet impactful changes to your designs, giving you greater control over your creative outcomes. With practice, these skills will become second nature and you'll find yourself navigating Canva's features with ease and confidence. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.